We are now going to have a look at lenses. We are not going to have a look at all the lenses that are there, but the basic lenses which we use regularly. They are the wide angle lens, the normal lens, the telephoto lens, and the zoom lens. Now, if I am going to keep all the 4 lenses here on the table, all these lenses are known by their focal length. This focal length is nothing but the distance from the center of the lens to the sensor. I repeat, it is the distance from the center of the lens to the sensor. There you have the lens over there in blue, from there to the sensor, that is the focal length of the lens. Now, what is the focal length of a normal lens? The focal length of the normal lens will be the diagonal of its sensor. The focal length for a normal lens will be the diagonal of the camera's sensor. Let me explain this a little further. The size of a 35 mm, I am talking about a full frame 35 mm camera or the FX camera as it is called these days, is 36 mm by 24 mm. The diagonal comes to around 43 mm. A to B is the diagonal, is around 43 mm. So, a 43 mm lens will be the normal lens for an FX camera, for a full frame camera. Normally manufacturers make a 50 mm lens and call it a normal lens. Technically it is 43 mm which is a normal lens, but lens manufacturers make a 50 mm lens and call it a normal lens for a full frame 35 mm or an FX camera. Now this normal lens will vary. Normal lens will vary for, as I said, the DX cameras. Most of you would be having only a DX camera. The normal lens would vary because the size of the sensor, again there are various sizes of the sensor. 18 by 24 is the most popular size. So the diagonal comes to around 35 mm, 33 mm, 32 mm, whatever. So 43 mm is the normal lens for a full frame camera. Most lens manufacturers make a 50 mm lens and call it a normal lens, and for a DX camera it is around 35 mm. This is just a reference, I am not going to get into detail for it. This is just to show you how the normal lens will vary according to the format of the camera. A 120 mm camera, a large format camera, then a mini aim and shoot cameras, all that the normal lenses will differ depending upon the size of the sensor. You do not have to go through it in detail, but it just to illustrate to you that the normal lens keeps varying. Now the next one, between the wide angle lens between a DX camera and an FX camera. The focal length for anything, we learned that a normal lens for an FX camera is around 43 mm. So anything below 43 mm would be a wide angle lens for an FX camera, and anything below 35 mm will be a wide angle lens for a DX camera. For example, your 10 mm, 12 mm, 18 mm, 24 mm, all this will be wide angle lenses for both the formats. Up to 35 mm, it could be the wide angle for both the cameras. Right. Now we move on to the telephoto lens. For anything above 50 mm will be a telephoto lens for a FX camera, that is your 60 mm, 70 mm, 80 mm, 100 mm, 150 mm, 400 mm, 1000 mm, whatever. All this will be telephoto lenses for an FX camera, and anything above 35 mm will be a telephoto lens for a DX camera. For example, a 50 mm lens would be a telephoto lens for a DX camera. Above 50, as in the FX, your 80, 100, 200, 400, 1000, 6, whatever it is, all these are telephoto lenses. Now, what is a zoom lens? Most people think that a zoom lens is taken for distant subjects. Yes, it can be used for shooting distant subjects, but the definition is zoom lenses are lenses which have a variable focal length. It all depends upon the variable focal length of the zoom, whether you want to take distant subjects or close-ups. For example, most of your kit lenses which you have could be 18 to 55 or 18 to 105, these are all zoom lenses. You call it a kit lens, but it is a zoom lens. Okay, it got a variable focal length. The other lenses which we discussed, the normal lens, the wide angle lens and the telephoto lens are fixed focal length lenses. They are also called prime lenses or block lenses, whereas zoom lenses have a variable focal length. You can have a variable focal length from, let us say, 10 to 24 mm. Both of them are in the wide angle category. You can have a zoom lens between 24 and 50 which covers wide to normal, and if it is a DX, a bit of telephoto lens. Or there are zoom lenses from 80 to 200 which falls only in the telephoto category. Then you have zoom lenses from 100 to 500. Camera manufacturers would probably study the market and make a zoom lens which they think it would sell. It would be popular among photographers and it would sell. Now, if you see photographers at cricket matches or tennis matches, you would find them sitting with lenses which has got long barrels. They would be mostly telephoto lenses. It could be, if it is a cricket match, it could be a 600 mm lens or a 500 mm lens or a 400 mm lens, where, as I told you, the definition of focal length would be the distance from the center of the lens to the sensor. It could be 600 mm. For a 600 mm lens, it would be 600 mm, that is why the barrel is so long. And for a 300 mm lens, it have a shorter barrel, it would be 300 mm from the center of the lens to the sensor. Most photographers would prefer a telephoto lens to a zoom lens because the sharpness and quality of the telephoto lens is much better than that of a zoom lens. Zoom lenses are very convenient lenses. Zoom lenses are very convenient. Instead of carrying 2 or 3 lenses in your bag, especially for the photojournalist, a zoom lens is a very, very convenient lens. The basic lens which they carry is around 18 to 55 or 18 to 105, which covers wide angle, medium to normal and medium tele. It is 3 or 4 lenses in one, where you do not have time to change lenses. So, you carry zoom lenses are very, very convenient lenses, especially for the photojournalist.